In this video, I'm going to show you a free end-to-end encrypted photo storage website called nt.io, and it allows you to store up to 10 gigabytes of photos for free. And unlike Google Photos or any of these other file storage platforms, it is completely free up to 10 gigabytes, and it makes it very easy to find your photos. It's fully encrypted, and I'm going to walk you through their website in this video. So here is their website, nt.io. You can go ahead and read more about it on their website itself. But what we're going to do is sign up, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to upload photos and how we can manage our photos on this website. As you can see, they are safely stored and they're available everywhere on their Android, iOS, web, and desktop apps. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up with my email address. I'll enter in a password and we'll create our account. Now they work on a recovery key basis. So if you forget your password, the only way you're going to be able to recover it is with this phrase here. So they don't store this key, but you can go ahead and copy it. And then if you forget your password or you need to recover your account, you can use this key to do so. So you can go ahead and save the key now, or you can do this later. As you can see, we have 10 gigabytes for free. So we'll continue with that. And what we can do is we can go ahead and upload photos. So we can actually integrate Google Takeout with NT. I'm going to click on File though, and we'll go ahead and select some photos here. I've just got 5 photos, and we'll go ahead and open this. We can create albums. I'm just going to create this album, and I'll just call it here Tutorial Photos. And we'll then click on create. Now I would urge you to go ahead and check out this website because it is quite easy to use. They do have a mobile app and it works just like Google Photos. As you can see, we've got our photos uploaded and we're going to get 10 gigabytes for free. We can see our storage up here, as well as different categories, archive, hidden, and trash photos also. We can also search for photos. So if I searched camera, it may or may not come up. So they do have a bit of work to do. This still is quite new, but this is 10 gigabytes of free photo storage, which you can go ahead and utilize. You can create albums, and I just thought I would show you this website. And if you want to go ahead and use it, it is fully encrypted. Let me know what you think.